Reesio's integration with Lone Wolf accounting software just made your job easier. With this integration, you're able to easily push your transaction information from Reesio to Lone Wolf, including commissions, with just a few clicks. This eliminates the need for you to enter the same information in two places and ensures accuracy across systems. Best of all, you can push transaction details from Reesio to Lone Wolf at any time and as often as you'd like. First, you'll need to connect your Reesio account to your Lone Wolf account. Log into Reesio and click the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner, then select Account Settings. Next, click the Integrations tab. Please note that only brokerage members who have admin permissions in Reesio have the ability to connect and push data to the Lone Wolf account. If you have admin level permissions, you'll see Lone Wolf as an available integration option. Click Connect. If you know your Lone Wolf credentials, enter them here. Then email support@reesio.com to obtain pricing information and a Schedule B form authorizing data sharing between Reesio and Lone Wolf Accounting. Once you've completed these items and sent them back to Reesio, your account will be activated within 1 to 2 business days. You'll also receive a notification email from Lone Wolf Accounting with your credentials, confirming that your integration is activated. If you did not enter your credentials earlier, you can do so at this point. Then click Connect. Now you're connected and can easily send your Reesio transaction details to Lone Wolf. You can access your transactions in a variety of ways. From the main dashboard, you can access your transactions either by clicking Transactions in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, or you can click on the tray icon in the upper right and select Transactions there. Locate your transaction and then click on the ellipses icon to launch the drop-down menu and select Lone Wolf. In this screen, you can view all the data that will be pushed into your Lone Wolf account. If you notice any changes that need to be made, click Cancel to return to the transaction screen. From here, select the transaction, and then click the Details tab to make changes or updates to the transaction. So say you want to update your commission split. Go down to Commissions and click Edit. Change that here, click Submit. Then back up at the top of the page, you'll see a Lone Wolf button in the upper right-hand corner. Click that, and it'll take you back to the screen that allows you to push the transaction data. Here, be sure that you select the agent associated with the transaction, the classification type, and the property type. Also, you can add additional contacts by clicking the Add Contact button. So you could add contacts like escrow company, title company, buyer, or seller. So select the contact type, and then select the Reesio transaction number that you'd like to associate with that contact. Once you've entered all the necessary data, click Push. Your transaction details will then update your Lone Wolf account automatically. You can push these details anytime and as often as you'd like. Just remember, when you push, your Reesio transaction data will override any existing accounting data in the corresponding fields in Lone Wolf. For questions about this integration or to get started today, email us at support@reesio.com. Thanks for taking the time to learn about Reesio.